Hello, my name is Sam Yankelevich. I am the author of a recently published book called Lean Potion Number 9, Communication, The Next Lean Frontier. I've been in manufacturing for about 30 years, most of that time doing something at the global level. And most recently in the auto industry, where, of course, it is an industry that is now completely globalized. This means that we are continuously interacting with people from other cultures and that speak other languages all the time. In fact, effective communication is key to operational excellence, and of course, it helps to know another language in order to avoid costs related with small misunderstandings. If you consider that we spend more time in supply chain issues than at home or traveling, then we think that the time spent on language learning should be related to your job. So please join me for a webinar where we're going to discuss why we cannot and actually cannot afford to depend on this myth that English is the language of business. We're going to show you the difference between a traditional formal way of learning a language and compare that with the informal way, which has a lot of advantages, makes it more fun, and it's a faster way of learning. And as well, we're going to show you why being in the auto industry, believe it or not, presents a very specific advantage to learning a language, because we do have a very specific lingo that we speak in this industry. We have designed a program for functional areas such as supplier quality, project management, purchasing, and logistics and customer service. And this program actually teaches personnel in those areas, as well as executives, to say it in another language. So, for example, if you wanted to talk about defects, supplier issues, containment, packaging, ramp-up plans, samples, PPAP, APQP, in another language, this is the opportunity with this program for those areas where you're in and where you have to interact in other languages. A lot of commercial systems are out there, some of them which are actually very good on CD, DVD, or online, and these are very good at teaching you travel language, conversational language for casual situations, and maybe even how to order a beer at a restaurant. But let me ask you this, what do you do when you're back in the office and you have to deal with a situation where another language is needed to do your job? So for this, we've developed a great solution, and it's designed for busy people in the auto industry. This webinar is only about 15 minutes, and it's going to provide you with a lot of good information. So thank you very much for listening, and see you there.